Hello, friend. 10 billion gallons of Coca-Cola per year, 2,000 bottles produced per minute, and 65% of them are recycled. What makes Coca-Cola factories dominate such impressive numbers? Follow along to the end to discover the secret. Alex Thompson is a 28-year-old mechanical engineer and Texas A&M University class of 2020 graduate. Growing up on a family dairy farm outside Waco, he grew up repairing irrigation pumps and testing water quality for 200 Holstein cows. After 4 years designing robotic arms for a Ford plant in Dearborn, Michigan, Coca-Cola hired him to join its flagship Southwest Beverages facility in Dallas. The company needed new talent to bridge factory automation and the farm-style precision skills Alex honed, balancing pH levels in cattle feed troughs. His first official assignment, tracking a 12-ounce bottle of Coca-Cola from raw water to the delivery truck. The exercise trains new hires in traceability while allowing veterans to spot inefficiencies. Alex pinned his badge, grabbed a tablet, and started timing. The water bay smells faintly of ozone. Dallas draws from the Trinity River aquifer, but nothing reaches the mix untreated. Reverse osmosis skids built in Grand Rapids, Michigan push water through membranes with pores 0,01001 microns wide The system rejects 99.9% of minerals and salts. Ultraviolet lamps follow, then a controlled ozone injection. Alex records pH at 7.1 inside the 6.8 to 7.4 window. Back home, his dad uses the same RO unit for the herd's drinking water. Each cow downs 30 gallons daily. Clean H2O cuts E. coli risk and keeps milk SEC below 200,000. Alex taps the screen. Test every 15 minutes. Skip ozone and the batch tastes metallic. Log every reading. A horn signals the syrup tanker. The driver hands over a manifest stamped Atlanta Origin Confidential. Inside the armored trailer sits 5,000 gallons of merchandise 7X concentrate, brewed in the only lab authorized to touch the original 1886 formula. That formula sleeps inside a 6-ton vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum, a combination known to exactly 3 executives. Alex scans the temper band, green check. Syrup flows from the tanker into a stainless steel holding tank inside the Dallas plant. It mixes with the ultra-pure filtered water at a precise 1:5 ratio, 1 part concentrate to 5 parts water. A built-in laser Brix meter shines through the moving stream and instantly reads 50.9 deg Brix, accurate to 0.01 deg. This number confirms the exact sugar level Coca-Cola demands for every batch. The same laser technology helps Georgia chicken farmers fine-tune layer feed to 18% protein, balanced nutrition keeps hens healthy and egg production consistent. Alex slips on a required hairnet before entering the syrup room. He double-checks the tamper evidence seal on the tanker. Break that seal without scanning the barcode first, and the entire load is automatically rejected. No exceptions, no second chances. Temperature drops to -4 degrees Celsius in the carbonation tower. Carbon dioxide from Gulf Coast wells dissolves at 4 bars 58 psi. Each can will carry 2.2 volumes of gas, enough for a 30-minute fizz after opening. The spec originated in this very Dallas lab in 1982. The chilled syrup enters the carbonation tower, where Alex calibrates the pressure gauge to exactly 4 bars to dissolve CO2 perfectly. Too low, below 3.5 bars, makes flat soda, while too high, above 4.5 bars, causes bottles to rupture. Florida hog farmers use identical CO2 sensors in barns to maintain 0.1% air levels, keeping pigs calm, efficient in eating, and on track for faster market weight. The compressor exceeds 90 decibels, so ear protection is non-negotiable per OSHA. Alex logs the calibration to ensure fizzy Coke and productive pigs. The massive KHS inner filling line in the Dallas Coca-Cola plant roars to life. It races along at 2,000 bottles per minute. That's 33 bottles every single second. Empty PET preforms, already made with 50% recycled plastic from California facilities, heat up and blow into full-sized bottles in just 0.3 seconds. In a blur, the line fills each one with fizzy Coke, screws on the cap, and tightens it to exactly 20 inch-pounds of torque. Alex stays safely behind the bright yellow line on the floor. Reach across while the robots are moving and the entire line shuts down for hours. Spot a loose screw or bolt. He reports it immediately so the crew can fix it before anything goes wrong. The next stop on Alex's trace is the quality lab right beside the filling line in the Dallas Coca-Cola plant. Every single bottle goes through more than 1,000 tiny checks before it can leave the factory. X-ray scans look inside for hidden air pockets. AI cameras make sure every label sits perfectly straight. Lasers measure the exact fill height to the nearest drop. Alex steps into the sensory booth with the tasting panel. He takes a small sip of the Coke, swirls it across his tongue and spits it out. Never swallow. Swallowing would throw off the results. Today he catches a sweetness difference of just 0.05% and marks it on the tablet. The trained human tongue can actually notice sugar changes as small as 0.011 molar. That's why the panel is still the final judge. One tiny off note, whether in a bottle of Coke or a feed bunk, gets caught early. Alex enters his official score, 8.7 out of 9. That batch is approved and rolls on toward the pallet. Nothing leaves the Coca-Cola factory unless it tastes exactly right. Sustainability boards glow overhead. 65% of aluminium cans recycle nationwide. Compressor heat pre-warms incoming water, saving $2 million yearly. Treated wastewater irrigates local cotton. Alex flattens sample cans and separates PET from aluminium. Mix streams and the load is rejected at the sorter. Final checkpoint. Live feed to Atlanta. The vault door fills the screen, 133 years sealed. Alex enters his bottle's batch code. The system confirms every parameter from water pH to cap torque. Trace is complete in 42 minutes. Loop recycling deliver consistent Coke and consistent farm results. One technology platform serves billions of consumers and millions of livestock. Alex clocks out. His bottle rides a truck down I-35 toward a Walmart in Fort Worth. The vault stays locked, but the process is wide open. Like if you learned something new about how Coke is made. Subscribe for next week's behind-the-scenes Pepsi factory tour. Drop your wildest guess about the 7X secret in the comments. Best one gets pinned. The vault stays locked, and your next Coke stays perfect.
Rolling.